phone down! You're keeping me wired when I need rest! Let me sleep, or tomorrow you're exhausted and useless! Stop cracking us! You're stressing the joints over and over! Leave us alone and let us rest! Relax! You're grinding me down and building pain for no reason! Unclench before I start hurting you! Lift the phone up! Bending me like this all day adds pressure and pain! Fix your posture before I lock up!
Go piss now! Holding it stretches and weakens everything! Stop ignoring me and empty me!
Stop that! Breathe deeper! Shallow breaths keep you tense and dizzy! Slow down and fill me up! Stop touching me, dumbass! Pulling me like that makes me bleed and get infected! Leave me alone, or get me checked properly!
Stop pulling me! You're tearing healthy skin, causing pain, and inviting infection! Cut me properly or leave me alone!